Okay, hi everyone. So per Laura's email, I just tried it, but I'm going to show you again. So essentially, I go here to log out, and I'm going to do it again, log back in. Course, Español 3. Here is the folder I'm looking for. As you see, it's still unpublished. So I go to edit, everyone, published. I've even done this, select all, and published. Save. And we are still unpublished. So that's the story. I tried the log out. I've also tried individually publishing. I've moved the folder, but for whatever reason, this just does not want to show up. This has also happened in other classes as well. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching.